Hello guys and welcome back. Long time no see. And welcome back to this new awesome video where I'm going to show you how to make a batch game. This part we're going to make the menu of the game. So first off, let me show you how the game looks like. This game, by the way, is incomplete. I still did not complete it, but I'm going to go with you with this menu. Wait a sec, guys. I was just editing something in the game, but I'll just set it back to what it was. I'll just set this one to login as it was because I was just trying something. Okay, I just want to show you how the game looks like. Right, save. That's it, guys. Now I'm gonna open it. As you can see, we've got login. Press 1 to log in, and username, password, and of course you must make an account. When you make an account, the account is saved only on your computer, guys. You can create an account about the game, save game, exit game, and when you log in, it must get you into the game. But I still did not make the game itself completely, but I finished the menu. The game will be simply about asking you questions. You answer, you level up, you get gold, you can buy some stuff like that. It's just a simple game, you know, but I really would like to share this game with you guys, how to make it. Alright, guys. So, yeah, let's do this. Let us do this. So, I'm going to close this. I'm going to make another one, alright, guys? So, yeah, I'm going to open. Come on, guys, I'm going to open Notepad. Alright, before I start, I'm going just to save it as the final result, what it's going to be. Alright, I'll name this our YouTube game. Alright, guys. .bat. Alright, so yeah, it's a batch file, of course. Right now, as you can see, where is it? Yeah, our game, here is it. So if you open it, why it cannot run? Yeah, it cannot run because there's absolutely nothing in it, you know. It has absolutely nothing. So right click it, edit. Yeah, it has nothing, so of course it cannot run on PC. But wait, I want to try something. I just want to make sure there's no error or whatever in my PC. I'm not sure about that, guys. I'm gonna save it and let us see. Yeah, now it's working. As you can see, it closes right away because normally batch files, if they do not find any other code to complete, if the code stops like that, they'll automatically close, of course. This is something in batch files. If the code is finished, no more code, nothing to do, it will close automatically, unless you type pause sorry guys, pause null, or pause normally. Null will just press any key to continue. I'll explain all this, guys. Let's start off. First of all, add echo off. It is a very important command. You absolutely need to write it in, you know, you can say any batch file you're making, it's advised to write it. Now what at echo off does, I'm gonna show you exactly what at echo off does. And the example will be in this game that I've already made. Not completely, of course, at least the menu of the game. So here is it, guys. At echo off, let me just remove, let me first show you the game with at echo off. As you can see, it's organized. Has everything organized like that. Now if I remove at echo off, delete, and I save it back, let's see what's happened. As you can see, without at echo off, the program just shows you the commands while they are executed, and this is really annoying. We want the user only to see the final result. We don't want them to see the commands while they're executed, you know. otherwise our program will be unorganized, it will be a mess. So yeah, that's why it's important to write at echo off. I'm going just to write it back before I start with our file. Alright, I'm gonna make sure it's working again. Come on. Yeah, it's working. Alright guys, so back to our file. So as I said, you start off with at echo off. This is pretty much important. Now after that we're going to type our title, which means the title of the window when you open the game. Alright, so the title will be our YouTube game. Alright guys, so that is the title of our game. Alright, wait a sec guys, I need a tissue. I guess the voice was not recorded properly, so I said the title of our game is our YouTube game. Our YouTube game is what will be displayed here when we open the game. So anyway, I'll just pause for, you know, I just need some tissues. So back again guys. So as I said, the title will be our YouTube game, or any title you want. And here I'm going to set the color. I'm going to set the color 1F. Alright, now what you might be wondering, what's 1F? I'm going to explain the color thing real quick. So here are the list of colors. If you want to see them, type in the command prompt color help. They'll display the list of colors. Now these are the background colors you can choose from, and these are the text colors. So if you want to set, for example, your background to blue and the text will be white, you're going to type 1 because blue, 1, and white here you might type E or F, depends. You want it bright white or light yellow. By the way, the light yellow looks like white. I don't know why. Anyway guys, so that's the way you can do this. Okay, I don't know why in command prompt this E looks like white. So as I said, this is the background colors and these are the text colors. Alright, so yeah, I set 1F, that means the background will be blue, the text will be white. Alright, so I guess that's about it for now. I'm going just to make this little separator like this. Alright, so that's it guys. That is the first thing. Now the second thing we need to do is to start a new page. So I'm going to start the menu page. By the way, these are pages. When you make one column, not double column, and then you type any name, this is just you're starting a new page. Sorry guys, microphone was not working if you didn't hear it. So I said if you make a column and then type a name, that means you're specifying a new page. But this double column is just a separator. Alright, I like to separate my pages like that. So start with the menu page, and it's best to specify your pages so that you can refer to them when you want. Alright, anyway, so then I'm going to type CLS, which means clear screen, just in case. That might not really make a difference for now, but later on you'll understand what it makes, because sometimes when you start a new page, some results from the previous page are still there, so the CLS will just clear the screen so that you can only see the new things in that page, you know. Alright, so CLS, then I'm going to start with this. I'm going to type echo, then space, like that. When you type echo and then space and then you type whatever, for example, as, like that, I'm going to show you what's happening, but I'm going just to type pause, because actually there's no more code, so it will close right away. So I'm going just to type pause null, and here also is a good example. I'm going to tell you what's the difference between null and the normal pause. Alright, so I'm going to show you that. Save. I'm going to open it. And the reason, wait guys, the reason I made some space just to make sure to center it, make it in the center. Still, it's not exactly in the center, but yeah, that was the point, you know. Alright, so now it is about time I show you the difference between the pose, the normal pose, and the pose now. So the normal pose, as you can see, that's how it looks like. I'm going just to save it and show you how it looks like in the file. Of course, this file is not up to date, so I'm going to close it and open it again. As you can see, it just displays press any key to continue. However, if you made null, this null thing here, and saved it, come on, you will not find press any key to continue. Alright? So that is the difference, guys. Alright, so yeah. But of course I'm not going to type whatever. So what I'm going to type, let me increase this a little bit. Alright, what I'm going to type is welcome to our YouTube game. You might name it anything, you know, it's not necessary to say our YouTube game. For example, the game that I've made, I named it Can You Pass the Questions? Alright, so anyway, welcome to our YouTube game. I'm gonna make this exclamation mark, guys. Alright, I'm gonna type here another echo. Oh, this is capital. By the way, it will not, there's no difference, but I like to make the echo small. And then type, I'm going to type here, please select one of the option, sorry guys, what the heck, alright, one of the options, below, come on, come on guys, what's wrong? By typing its number and hitting enter. Alright, but of course for sure this is not centered, so I'm gonna just move it a little bit like that. Alright, and every while I'm going just to give it a little save here, guys. Alright, now I'm going just to make a little space. The way to do that by making echo dot. Echo dot just leaves a blank line without anything, just a space. Because sometimes you don't want all things to be sticking together, just one under another, just sticking. You want to leave some space. So the way you do that is making echo dot right after it, without any space. Alright, I'm gonna make, you can say 2 spaces. I'm going to set some variables, guys. No, before I set the variables, let me just you know, write the options that I told them about. So I'm gonna type echo 1 login, echo 2 create account, echo 3 about game. You don't need to make it in the same order, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. For save game, echo, oh sorry guys, 5 exit game. Alright, and underneath I'm going to do some little cool trick here. I'm going to type this set/p I'm gonna say, for example, C or any letter. Let's say I'm going to say O, for example. Then I'm going to type equals. I'll explain to you what this does, by the way. And then I'm going to type enter, and like that. Alright. Now this variable means it's best to make some variables for things you do. So this O variable represents your choice. This is what you're going to type, and then that decides what's going to do. If you type 1, for example, and you press enter, that will choose the login. Yeah, something like that, guys. You just set it a variable so that the computer makes your choice something I don't know how to describe it, but wait guys, I'm going just to take a little tissue and then I'm coming back guys. So I told you, so this O is a variable that represents what you're going to type to choose one of the options below. Alright, so this is what you're going to type. Alright, now there's something really important we need to do. You need to type if not defined O. Oh, wait a sec, there's an ant on the laptop. Oh guys, the ant really shocked me. Anyway, so if not defined O, go to menu, which means if someone did not define what the option, you just pressed enter without typing. Normally if you didn't type that, the game is going to close because there's nothing to do with that enter. So as I told you, the batch will automatically close. However, that command will just specify what to do. If he pressed enter without typing anything, it will just go back to menu and will redisplay everything. But actually, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to save and I'm going to show you. So you will not notice any difference, because when you press enter without specifying, it will just bring back the same page, so you will just see that nothing happens. So I'm pressing enter. You can see that actually nothing, absolutely nothing happens. Alright, so yeah, that command is pretty important. What's that command prompt? Oh yeah, it's can you pass the questions? Yeah, it was still open. Anyway, so yeah, this is pretty important. Alright, then I'd like to leave 2 spaces and make another if %O%. And the reason I write %O% when you're talking about a variable in the code or referring to a variable, you must write the % before it and after it, except this command. I don't know why they just make it like that without this %. If you type it like that, it's going to work. So if %O% equals and then you type, for example, 1, right? Go to login. Now when you type go to something, that means you're referring to a page, go to login, but as you can see, we still do not have the login page. We have only the menu page. But don't worry guys, we're going to make the login page. But first off, let us make type the if commands. I just call them the if commands, I don't know why. If %O% equals to go to create. If %O% equals 3, go to gain info. If %O% equals 4, go to save or saving, anything. If O% equals 5 go to exit. Now for this 5 here you may just type if O% equals 5 exit without go to, but I like to make go to because I'm going to make a page for the exit where I'm going to display, are you sure you want to exit? Yeah, it will just look nicer, but if you type exit, it will just exit right away when you press 5. So that is the way, guys, you do it. Alright then, so I guess that's about it for this page, guys. So I'm going just to type pose null. Alright, I'm going to save this and let us see how it looks like. I guess nothing, there's no difference, guys, so there's no need to check it out now, but yeah, so that's the way. Alright, come on, please. Well, I like to copy this one and put it down, so that's the end of the menu page. We're going to start the other pages, of course. So the login page now. Alright, the login page. So this is the login page. Of course, CLS. For example, I'm going to show you guys what's the CLS now. For example, in the login page, I'm going just to type this little message here. This is not the final thing, I'm just demonstrating something for you guys. This is the login page. Whatever, just something like that, just to demonstrate, guys. Null. Alright, I'm going to show you with CLS and without CLS. What's the difference? Alright, so now that is with CLS. When I press 1 for the login page, you'll find this is the login page. Alright, so yeah, that's how it looks like. Now without the CLS, let's see how it looks like. 1. As you can see, without the CLS, when you enter the login page, it just displays what's in the page without clearing the previous page. It just remains with the previous page, and this is really bad. It's unorganized, you know. So that's why it's important to type CLS. I guess now you know what is CLS. It means clear screen, of course, but I just mean, you know, what's the use of it. Anyway. So of course here I'm going to type that. I'm going to type yeah, please log in. Alright, then I'm going to type echo, or maybe one echo only, or maybe another echo. Alright guys, echo, sorry, then echo, not echo, sorry, set/p username. Alright, username, I like to call it like that, username. And by the way, when you're specifying a variable, you can leave it just empty, you know. After the equal, what you type will be just what is displayed before the user types. For example, I type here enter. Alright, I'm going to show you what I mean. Alright, I'm going just to save this one. Alright, so as you can see, enter, and it just provides you the space. If you didn't type enter, it's okay, but you'll just find the cursor here just from the beginning. You just type, you know. So that's the way. And here also the same, but I'm going to type username this time. Username. Alright, then type, and then here set /p this word like that, equals password. Alright, so that is it, right? Now what you want to do is type some little thing here. So I'm going to type an if. Alright, but wait a sec, guys. So back again, as I said, we'll just type some if commands. Alright, and yeah, there's something really important. We forgot to write the if not defined. So between each one, I'm going to just type if not defined user go to login. I want to type it like just like that, like the login, capital L, like that. I'm not sure if I typed it small it will work or not, but I don't want to try yet. I just want to make sure things are gonna work. Alright, so back again, I said if % or % is equal 1, go to login, and now we're making the login page. That's the login page. Alright, so and here I'm going to type if not defined this word. Alright, go to login. That ensures that the game is not going to close if you just press enter. Alright, and you'll be forced to type. Alright, now you can type some cool if commands, but not like this if, different type. If exist percent username, sorry guys, percent this word percent, which .sav, of course, which means if there's a file already existed for this account, but by the way the accounts are not from a database whatsoever, but they are just saved on your computer. Alright, so if that file is existing, so you typed in, for example, Bob, the password is stupid. If a save file was called Bob stupid, yeah, we are going to do something. Alright, but wait a sec, guys, there's something wrong. The laptop, I don't know why, the microphone, I don't know why it's just electrifying me when I put it in my ear. I'm going to just adjust it. There's something wrong with my laptop, really. It just produces electricity, believe it or not. Wait a sec, guys. So back again, alright. So yeah, I told you if exist percent username percent password %.sav, then you're going to type a space, then a bracket, alright. Then you're going to type 4/f %a in and then you're going to type this this thing again, the name of your save file. Come on, please, copy. Do set %a. Alright, and then you're going to make this, and then what you're going to do, and by the way, this one, this command here, just I'm using it just for a verification, of course, for your what? Yeah, a verification for your login. So maybe someone just types anything and the game will log him in. No, there is something verification that we're going to do. Alright, anyway. Oh, come on. So and then I'm going to type this little bracket here, else, which, oh sorry, not like that, which means else if that was not the case. Yeah, I forgot here to type just something. Go to game. So if there was already an account, it's going to go to game, to the game page. Alright. Then here I'm going just to close that little bracket here. Else, if that was not the case, what you're going to do is go to invalid. Alright, there's a page that unlimited invalid that will contain a message saying invalid username or password, please retry again. Yeah, that was pretty much the page that I'm going to make, the invalid, and the game also I'm going to make it. Alright, so that is it. Alright, so I want to ensure that this thing is going to work. Alright, save. Wait, let me just make a little quick thing. That was just a temporary thing, just to make sure that what I typed was correct, nothing wrong in that. I'm gonna just do that, just to make the invalid page temporarily. Echo. I'll just type it was right. Just anything like that, just to show. Of course, the CLS forgot it. Just anything, and then pause. This is not the final thing, guys. I'm just testing something. So yeah, pause now. Alright, let's see this. So yeah, our YouTube game, press 1 for login, username blah, password blah. It was right. Yeah, so the code is working. I was just making sure of that. So yeah, what we typed here was correct. This thing, I was just so scared that it was not correct, but it was correct. So yes, that is it, guys. But I'm going to delete the invalid page for now. Alright, so yeah, but still this is the end of that page. Alright, so I'm gonna just make this little separator. Now let us go to the create page. Alright, the create page. So yeah, create, that is the create page we're making. CLS echo create your account for free, just like that. Create your account for free, and then echo. Alright, yeah, alright. So echo, then type here, oh no, this one is not echo. Alright, we're going to type set/p this time I'm going to type it user new user equal, and then you're going to type username set/p new password, and I forgot to make the colon. Alright, and yeah, I forgot to make the if command. If not define new, new user, Is that right? Yeah. Go to create. Sorry. And here you're going to type if not defined new path. Sorry guys, new path. Go to create as well. Alright, like the previous one, which means you will have to type. There's nothing called pressing enter. And then here yeah, so here now what I'm going to do is make this little cool thing here, echo, paste, then like that, then I'm going to type %. Now what I'm going to do is making the save. I'll explain to you what it does. Alright, this is a new thing, so I'm going to explain it. So first let me do it. Alright, %new user % new pass %.sav. Alright. Alright, so I guess that's about it for the create. It will just create whatever you type here, the new user, the password. It will create a file based on your new user, new pass, and it will just import it to your save actually. Alright, it will just save it to this little file here. So you named blah blah, so it will be named blah blah.sav. That is your save, and that is also your account. So when you log in, it will verify and will accept you. Alright, now what else? And then of course go to create successful. Alright, I'm gonna make this is also temporary, it's not the final. Create successful echo your account has been created successfully on your computer. Alright, then of course pause, no, and then go to menu. Alright, so go to menu. Alright, then that's how it works, obviously. So go to menu. So let me save this one and let's see how the file works. Alright, so yeah, so first let me just throw this old save that I've made before. So yeah, let us create an account. Alright, so press 2. Alright, then create your account for free. Let's say our username is blah, our password is blah, and then when I press enter, your account has been created successfully on your computer, and then it will bring us back to the menu, right? And yeah, blah blah has been created. Yeah, that is really nice, guys. So as you can see, it creates your account on your computer. But you might be saying why it will not. So if, for example, you open the game on another computer, why your account will not be saved? Because if you want it to be saved globally, you need a database. But I'm just making it on the computer. Alright guys, so yeah, that's the case. So yeah, of course I'm going to remove blah blah because we don't need it anymore. Yeah. Alright guys, wait a sec. Some tissues. So I'm back. So yeah guys, that concludes this video. So we've made the menu, and we've made some buttons. We finished them. For example, the login is almost complete. We just need to make the invalid. This is the only thing that's not, and also the game. And for the create, it is completely done. Yeah, it's completely done, and I showed you when we created an account. Yeah, and we still have the game info, the saving, the exit. Yeah, the exit, guys. The exit is pretty easy. So yeah, it's not something that big. We will leave it to the next time, or maybe let's do it now. I'm going to do it real quick. Guys. So let's do it, because that's really important. I know guys, you're just wanting that. So, exit. Alright, echo. Are you sure you wanna exit? Or if you want it just formal, or I want to exit, and then echo, echo, echo. Yes. Wait a sec. No, I'm gonna do it like that, and then set slash p e sorry guys, equals enter. Alright, if not, so yeah, this time I'm not write go to, just exit. If it say yes, so then exit the game. And here if percent equals and go to menu, pose no. So that is about the exit. Let's see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna do that. 5 exit. Are you sure you wanna exit? If I said no, it will just get back. So again, 5. This time I'll say yes. Yes, it exits. So yeah, that concludes this video, guys. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe, and please, guys, we need support on this channel, because recently we have noticed our channel loses subscribers. I don't know why. So please, guys, support us if you want us to keep working harder and harder. So please, we don't want to see this unsubscribing. So yeah guys, yeah, if you like the video, please share it, like and subscribe, and if you want this game, I may put it in the description. I may, I'm not sure guys, but I guess it's better to put it when it's complete, but for now it's incomplete. It's like your game that you've made with me, exactly, except for some minor things. Some we did not finish the game info and the saving. The saving, even I did not finish it in my own game, but I finished the game info. So yeah guys, see you next time. I will be completing these things and also getting into the game. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Peace.